Let's first begin by opening our image. I have this Christmas hat here. So as you can see, it is an image. So if I go to the scene panel, I will not be able to cut the hat. So open your trace panel. I'm going to select trace by color. I'm going to select the red part first. I'm going to say trace. I'm going to do it again. Just the white parts. Now you don't want to do all the white parts at once because it's going to take the background of the image as well. So we're only going to do single areas. Select trace. And we're going to do the other part of the hat. Trace. So the last step will be to select the entire trace area and only say trace outer edge. So we're done with the tracing. We can remove the image and there we have all our basic shapes. So let's color it in. The back part will be black and we can move it to the side. In this spot we can use the dropper and match it to the red of the hat, and then the other two parts we can select together. We fill it by white with white, select them all. We can group this. So this had a low resolution, so if we make it very small, that warning will disappear. However, our object on this side, we don't have any size limits. And when we send it, you'll see that you have your cut lines around the objects. So that is how we take any basic image file to create a cutting file. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching.